More choice is always a good thing, and that applies to smartphones as well. We have yet another entrant to the Indian market now in the form of the brand Mobiistar. This is Sandeep from RevAtlas, and you're watching the first impressions of their XQ Dual smartphone. The XQ Dual is a smartphone that doesn't really go along with whatever other brands are doing these days. Instead, they say they're focused on some core essentials that they believe customers want in India. Whether you agree or not, the XQ Dual sticks to a 5.5-inch 16:9 aspect ratio IPS panel that makes use of hardware capacitive keys for navigation. It even makes use of Asahi Dragontail 2.5D glass instead of Corning Gorilla Glass and comes pre-fitted with a screen protector out of the box. The display has Full HD resolution and the sharpness is on point, and it has good brightness as well. Sunlight legibility too seems decent so far. The device is powered by an octa-core Snapdragon 430 chipset, which held pretty well in our short time of testing, but we'll need to see how it fares under heavy load and after long term of usage. It comes with Android 7.1.2 Nougat out of the box, which is a bit old, but we're waiting to hear how long they'll be supporting updates until. There's 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage on board, along with support for hybrid dual SIM slot. The device supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.1. And as the name suggests, there is a dual camera setup on board, but not where you would probably be expecting. At the rear is a single 13MP f2 camera, but the front houses a 13MP f2 camera as well as a wide-angle 8MP f2.2 camera. The wide angle is really wide and can accommodate a whole lot of your surroundings or your friends into one single frame. There's also an LED flash up front and at the back for low light situations. The device has a micro USB port at the bottom, which is kind of expected since this is a budget device, and a 3000 mAh battery also is powering the device. Mobiistar is yet to announce the pricing for the XQ Dual, and it seems like the smartphone's success very much depends on that one key element. If they price it low enough, it could be a decent smartphone for the price. We'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next one.